What if you could install Windows 11 without Copilot, without a Microsoft account, without BitLocker, and without all the annoying bloatware, before Windows even installs on your PC? Well, the latest Rufus 4.14 update now makes this possible with just a few clicks using a simple USB drive. You need to download latest version of Rufus version 4.14. From Rufus official website. Now this latest Rufus update is extremely important because it includes expanded capabilities for customizing Windows 11 installations directly during the USB creation process. Instead of manually removing features after installation, Rufus now allows users to manage system-level preferences before Windows setup even begins. And that saves a huge amount of time. Now connect your USB pen drive to the PC. Again, make sure your pen drive has at least 8 GB of free space because Windows 11 installation files are quite large. Also remember that Rufus will completely erase everything on the USB drive during the process, so back up important files before continuing. Next, open Rufus. Inside Rufus, select your USB device from the Device section. Then click Select and choose your Windows 11 ISO file. Once you load the ISO, Rufus will automatically detect the Windows image and prepare the bootable drive settings. Now here comes the best part. As soon as you click Start, Rufus version 4.14 will open a special Windows User Experience customization window. And this new customization screen is honestly the game changer. Inside this section, you'll see multiple options that let you customize the Windows installation experience. You can now remove the Microsoft account requirement, create a local account automatically, disable automatic BitLocker encryption, skip privacy and telemetry questions, remove or disable Copilot-related features, disable data collection settings, bypass Windows 11 hardware restrictions if necessary, and reduce unnecessary background features during setup. Normally, Windows 11 automatically installs or enables many of these features by default. For example, Microsoft tries to push online account sign-in during setup. Copilot integration gets enabled automatically on many systems. BitLocker encryption may also activate by default depending on your hardware configuration. But with the new Rufus update, you now get much more control over the installation process itself. This means your Windows installation starts cleaner, lighter, faster, and with fewer unnecessary services running in the background. And for many users, especially gamers or low-end PC users, this can actually improve system responsiveness and overall performance. After selecting your preferred options, click OK. Rufus will now begin creating the customized bootable Windows 11 USB drive. Depending on your USB speed, this process may take several minutes. Once it's finished, restart your PC and boot from the USB drive. You'll notice the Windows installation becomes much smoother and cleaner compared to the default setup. No forced Microsoft account screens. No unnecessary Copilot setup. No automatic BitLocker prompts. Just a clean Windows installation experience. This new update adds powerful customization features that let you control the Windows installation process before setup even begins. That means you can remove unnecessary features like Copilot, forced Microsoft account login, BitLocker encryption prompts, telemetry, and several annoying Windows defaults directly while creating the bootable USB. This is especially useful for gamers, power users, developers, and anyone who wants maximum performance and privacy on Windows 11. Less bloatware means faster startup times, lower RAM usage, better performance, cleaner interface, and more control over your own system. So yeah, the latest Rufus 4.14 update is honestly one of the best tools right now for creating a debloated Windows 11 installation USB. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more Windows optimization and privacy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.